Okay, hi, hello. So for this new script of Python script to download and use the images from the given URL, there would be some requirements. Let's go through them one by one. First thing is we need to have this is a Windows only solution, so it will only work on Windows. First requirement is Python should be installed. If it is not installed, you can go to this link and follow the procedure. But how to check if Python is installed or not is very easy. You just open up a command prompt, and on command prompt you just type Python. If it is installed, it will give you some information like this: what is the version, blah blah blah. If it is not installed, it will give you some other message. For example, just like if I is not a recognized or internal command. So first thing is we need to make sure that the Python is installed, and when we just Python in the command prompt, we get a reply like this. So this confirms that Python is installed. So we have met the requirement number one. Then second requirement is we need to have a module in Python called request which should be installed. So one second. Okay, so second thing is we need to have the request module installed in Python. And the way to check that is you can just, in fact, just try to install it with this command. If it is already installed, it will not install it. But if it is not installed, then it will go ahead and install it. So we type Python minus m pip install request and enter. Since it is already installed, it gives a requirement already satisfied. So that's about it. So we have this installed, right? So these are the two requirements as far as Python is concerned. After that, the third step would be you need to copy the my provided JSX file into the Illustrator folder, and then you need to run the file. So I already have done it. I'll just show you how it works. So here is the sample CSV file, and as you see, this is let us in fact change it to something that you. This is one of the file that you provided, but I'll just change it to something else. Just give me a second. So, one second. So, I'll just change this link and the name itself also. The test one with the output, and this is the URL link of fancy walls, the new one. I save it, and then I go to Illustrator and I run the script, which is called 4-in-1-O, which is actually this is an extension of this is the next version of N. Last time we used N with the QR code or something. So I just added the new feature in the this version, which is O, which is basically a extension of N, right? So this is going to let me show you the output folder. So this is the output folder, 3 September output folder. It is empty right now, and then I let's process it. So it has only one CSV file, and it's going to work on that. So if you one second, I guess, yeah. So it is created this new file, and you will. That's the temp file that was downloaded, and now it added over here, and now it is saving the file as test one. Let it finish it, and I'll show it to you. I guess it's done. So we have a sample URL sample, which is the CSV name, and as you can see, it is done. So I'll close it, and I will let's do another test. In fact, so let's call it 333, and let's use a new file. Copy link. Copy. 1 second. So I'm taking another one file. So this is the new polar bear, and I run the script again. So the file script and QR again. So let's created a new file as required. That was the file being downloaded. It's downloaded and it's now used, and then it is saved. So let's see if the output folder we have test 333, and in this we have the polar bears. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Just before you run the script, make sure that these two requirements are fulfilled. Thank you.